Institute paper, this course is certainly being heavily linked with PMI and their methodology. So I thought a good way to start things off would be to introduce the organization to you with this short paper. What I'm looking for is shouldn't be very difficult. It's only about 3 pages or so, and I strongly suggest reviewing the rubric, because that's how I would like to see your paper structured. So the first page or so, if you have a title page or an intro, that's fine. It helps to set the stage at times, but the real requirement, first page or so, should just be a brief history on PMI, and then you'll move on to a description of the PMBOK process groups and structure. So, excuse me, the process groups, there's 5 process groups. They're noted at the bottom here. Initiating process group, planning, there's initiating process group, planning process group, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing. Those are the process groups that you'll want to describe. And they're available in your PMBOK, or you can do a little bit of internet searching if you want, but you should have your PMBOK book available, so that'd be the best source. And then the last section is going to be advantages and applicability of PMI or PMBOK methodology. This is where you'll talk about what the organization does to benefit its members, what the methodology from PMBOK can help with. Most notable, of course, is a standardization, so everyone speaks the same language, knows what to expect, etc. And those are the 3 sections, just about a page or so of each. Again, a history of the PMI. So this is kind of how they were founded and why they were founded. Description of the PMBOK process groups. You'll want to list out each process group and what kind of occurs in there. Inputs, outputs of those groups. Advantages and applicability of PMI. It'll be your last section. And that ideally would be a couple paragraphs about how it helps members to have the certifications, how it helps businesses to adopt the methodology so everyone knows what's going on, everyone has standardization, etc. And that's the paper. I think it'll be relatively easy and a good way to introduce you to the organization that the course is kind of structured with. So if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to assist you further. Thank you.